Consumption of goods and services is an integral part of every society, and the public or the people need it. A proper management of the production unit will be in such a way that where the production unit is always flexible enough to make changes within that process or system. Customer satisfaction. So we all know that customer is the king of the market, and every business objective now is to satisfy their customers. Hello everyone, I am Nikhilavati S, Faculty of Commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all for the session 4 of the Unit 1, that is Introduction to Production and Operations Management. So, in today's topic, let us discuss about the benefits of production management. So, as we all know that production is the core function in any business organization. So, these business organizations exist in order to create some kind of goods or to provide services. So, without the function of production, there would be no need for any other functions like HR, marketing, sales, advertisements, etc. Also, more than 50% of the employees working in any business organization are into this function of production or providing services. Moreover, the production function of any business organization has 50% or maximum size of the assets of the company, where you need lot of investment, whether it is furniture, whether it is machinery, or in terms of labor, or in terms of cash. Consumption of goods and services is an integral part of every society, and the public or the people need it. So, the business organizations create these needed goods and services as per the requirement of the society. Because of this importance of the production function in any business organization, the proper management of this function is very important. So, this production management and what are its benefits, or why the production system has to be managed well. So, what are its benefits of managing it well? So, let us study these concepts in today's session. So, now let us discuss one by one the benefits of production management. First and foremost, we have efficiency and productivity. So, the first benefit of any production management is that it provides efficiency and productivity in the production function or in the production unit. A proper management leads to, it streamlines the functions or the process of production unit, and it leads to maximum utilization of resources and to bring efficiency in the organization. By optimizing workflows or by eliminating any kind of loopholes, delays or bottlenecks, this production management makes sure that the production runs smoothly. So, this leads to higher productivity as more number of products are made within less time by using or within the same available resources. Say for example, a car manufacturing company introduces robotic automation for fixing the car doors. So for example, if the fixing of car doors for every car was taking 15 minutes of time. So after the installation of this robotic machine, if it is taking only 5 minutes, so here the time is reduced from 15 minutes to 5 minutes. So where within the available time, productivity can be increased. The more number of cars can be fixed with their car doors. So next we have is quality control. A proper production management ensures that always the products are produced in a proper quality, or the characteristics or features of the product are not compromised. So it is the duty of the production management to set the quality standards and also ensure that by proper and regular checkings to ensure that the quality is maintained. This reduces the likelihood of defects that may happen and ensure that the customers receive high quality products, and also it brings reputation to the business and it reduces returns and repayments. For example, a smartphone manufacturing company, so before dispatching the units of smartphone to the distributor or to the customer, it checks a proper quality testing procedure is done to ensure that every unit of that particular batch of smartphones are produced properly with the same quality or not. So next we have is cost reduction. So proper production management also helps to reduce the cost to the production unit. Every business's objective is to reduce the cost per unit or cost of manufacturing. So here proper management in the production department make sure that all the resources are utilized properly. This includes minimizing waste materials or using as much or all the energy that is available to the maximum, and ensuring that labor productivity is optimized. And even maintaining proper inventory is also reduces the cost of storing the inventory or storing of excess inventory, or due to the cost that is incurred due to the shortage of inventory, etc. For example, a packing company may adopt a recycle program in order to use or make use of the cardboard papers that is produced as a waste from a production process. Next we have is time management. So a proper production management ensures that time or the production happens on time, or the production time is properly managed. This makes sure that careful planning and scheduling of the production process, and also ensuring that that particular needed amount of units of products are produced on time in order to meet the deadlines or based on the demands. Timely completion of task also reduces the cost that is incurred for the delays or disruptions that happen. For example, in a pharmaceutical company, it makes sure that a particular batch of medicine is ready for the distribution, and also it has met regulatory requirements. Next, we have resource utilization. So proper management of the production unit also makes sure that all the resources, especially the inputs that are used for the production process, these may include raw materials, machinery, men, or the labor, skilled labor or unskilled labor, or all kinds of inputs are available on time and are utilized to the fullest without any wastages or at minimum wastages. By reducing the idle time or by reducing the unnecessary movements of the laborers, it can also make sure that the maximum productivity is taken from the labors. So production management always helps to make the maximum utilization of available assets or resources and also reduce the cost. So next, flexibility. So a proper management of the production unit will be in such a way that where the production unit is always flexible enough to make changes within that process or system. A well-managed production system is quick enough to make changes or adapt to changes, whether it is as per shifting the batches or making different schedules of production, or following different shifts in the production time, or as per, or like when the demand is high, if the production is to be done more and more, or the more units of products to be produced more, at that time the production system should be able to cope with those changes. So this flexibility always helps the production system or the business companies to cope with the demand that is there in the market. It will also increase their competitivity in the market, because as per the demand they are ready to provide needed goods and services to the customers. Say for example, COVID-19 is a good example to take. So for all the cloth manufacturing industries, there was a sudden demand for the production of masks. So all cloth manufacturing company made changes and started to produce masks. Then innovation. So production management always involves the adoption of new technology or advanced technology, innovative manufacturing methods, so that this enhances the capacity of the production unit to produce more and more units of products. Automation and using of advanced manufacturing techniques always helps the companies to produce more, increase its productivity or efficiency in the business. So next we have is customer satisfaction. So we all know that customer is the king of the market, and every business objective now is to satisfy their customers. By enhancing proper or consistent quality and also timely delivery, often the production management makes sure that the customers are satisfied, because satisfied customers are more likely to remain as loyal customers to your products or to your business, and also they'll tell other customers to buy your products. So it is important to deliver proper qualitative goods to the customers, which can lead to the increased sales as well as the market price of the business organization. For example, a furniture manufacturing company may ensure the order that is received for the manufacturing of furniture by a customer has received on time with proper condition. So next we have is employee motivation. So employee motivation is one of the important benefit of production management, because ultimately in a production department, to make the production process run smoothly, the employees or the laborers working in that particular unit must be motivated, and they should be able to work efficiently. And that is possible when the morale of the employees is maintained. That can be achieved by providing proper training sessions or the motivations sessions or breaks that is required for the employees, and by creating a good working environment to the employees. And at last we have data driven decisions. Always a proper production management makes to take or helps to take data driven decisions. That means it involves the collection and as well as analyzing what is the production function is going or how it is going. What are the steps that are involved in the production process. So it is always depends on the data. Either say for example the number of units of smartphone produced in last year. So how much units to be increased this year. So it is always data driven. So based on the data, either any changes can be made or improvements can be made, or based on the feedback that is collected from the customers, we can make improvise in the production unit. And data driven decisions always help to increase the efficiency, effectiveness of the production system. So overall, a proper production management has these many benefits, that it helps us to take data driven decisions or reduce cost, improve or keep the employee motivation, increase the efficiency and productivity in the production unit. So by implementing these production management systems or practices, the organization can not only improve its operations but also gain a very, remain competitive in the market. So that was all regarding the benefits of production management. So let us meet in the next session. Thank you.